Assalamu alaikum, this is Arfan Aftab and welcome to another tutorial of Binance. Our today's topic is to transfer your crypto assets from your spot wallet to your P2P wallet so that you can do P2P trading. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. My Binance account is already open. Open your P2P wallet, press on show. Now you can see my balance is 0 and I will transfer now from my spot wallet to my P2P wallet. Open your fiat and spot wallet, press on transfer. So you want to transfer from your fiat and spot to your P2P wallet. Choose P2P wallet. Choose the type of cryptocurrency you want to transfer to your P2P wallet. You can see over here the total BUSD available in my fiat and spot wallet. If I want to send all, I can press on max. But if I want to transfer a specific amount, I will just write that specific amount and press confirm. My transfer is successful. Let's go back to the P2P wallet. You can go to the P2P wallet from left corner or from the top. Press on show. You can see over here 10 BUSD are available into my P2P wallet. Let's say I have finished my trade and I want to transfer from P2P wallet back to my spot wallet. Simply press on transfer in front of that specific crypto. Check over here. It should be from P2P to fiat and spot, the right type of coin and how much amount you want to transfer, and press confirm. That's it. It's gone back to your fiat and spot wallet. In case if you want to know more about P2P, how to do trading, how you can sell, how you can buy, and how you can put your advertisement for selling and buying, link is up in here. If you find this video informative and useful, make sure to press the thumbs up and consider subscribing the channel. Hit the bell icon so that you will receive notification of all the latest videos as soon as they are published on the channel. That's it for today. Thank you very much. Bye for now.